So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are at a beautiful custom log home sitting on 206 feet of waterfront on Lake Simcoe. I cannot wait to show you the inside of this place. So welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Ryan Megson. I'm a local real estate agent here in Orillia and I service the surrounding areas. Today we are in the Atherley neighborhood. I love this area. We're on Lake Simcoe. This property has 206 feet of waterfront, which if you don't know, it's extremely rare to find. You've got a massive detached shop right here. You've also got your boathouse, which is a convenient bunkie for guests. And then obviously your almost 5,000 square foot finished log home. Let's get inside and check it out. So follow me inside here, guys. Just before we step up into the foyer there, check out the beautiful fish pond, running water, just beautiful serene sounds. You've actually got another front door entrance over there, which we'll get some shots of. And this is your convenient off the driveway entrance. Wrap around porch. So come on inside, guys. How epic is this place? Just absolutely stunning. Round logs throughout. You've got over 20-foot ceilings in here and views from everywhere. So welcome to the kitchen. Obviously this is a large open plan living, kitchen, dining, which I absolutely love. Huge island. You've got room for the charcuterie board, drinks, everything. One thing I want to point out here is the appliances. These are Elmira Heritage appliances. They are absolutely stunning. You don't see these too often. So they are newer appliances. They're made to look vintage. I think they're just so cool. So right off the kitchen, you've got a walkout right here. You've also got 3 big patio sliding doors, room for a large dining table. And then this living space, again, huge ceilings, 20+ feet, anchored by this beautiful stone fireplace. And as I mentioned previously, just views from everywhere. You can't see any other houses on the street. So private, just stunning. Come check out this outdoor living space. This is just the pinnacle of waterfront living right here. This flows the entire way around and connects to the front porch. You've got a walkout from your primary bedroom, 3 walkouts off the living space, a walkout off the kitchen, beautiful glass railing, so none of that view is obstructed. This is the place to be. Let's follow me through to the primary bedroom here. Conveniently located right off the living room. I absolutely love this space. You can just lie in bed, stare at the view all day. Again, walk out to the outdoor living area. You've got a great size. The logs are continued throughout. And then huge walk-in closet, as well as your primary ensuite, which has your in-suite laundry, a soaker tub, walk-in shower. So follow me, guys, we're gonna head upstairs. So up here, this is the loft being used currently as a kind of family room and an office. However, this could easily accommodate another 2 bedrooms. So if you're looking for extra space, this would be the place to do it. So we've got a lovely little sitting area up here. This is like a family room. Lake views from everywhere. You can also see everything down below. It's quite a cool spot. So follow me downstairs. This is one of my favorite places in the house. Beautiful stonework. Right here you've got another bedroom which mirrors the primary upstairs. You'll notice everything in this house faces the water, and that is intentionally done. Just everything is all about the lake here. So here we are on the lower level. You've got another guest bedroom in the back there, a full bathroom. Check out the large bar area here. Perfect for entertaining. Again, walk out to outside, lake views from everywhere. And then a huge movie room. So cozy. And wait until you check out this covered porch. So welcome to the porch. This is probably maybe my favorite place in the house. You just got nothing but lake views all around. I would just live out here, right here on the bed swing. So this room can be used pretty much 3 seasons. You can come out here in the winter if you want to. It's completely covered. You've got bug screens. You've also got wind and rain screens that can be wound up. Door out to outside, and of course, right off your basement. So as I mentioned before, you've got a full bathroom here, and then another guest bedroom. So as I mentioned previously, there's a huge workshop here. This is big enough to store probably 4 cars, plus a 38-foot boat. You've got a separate entrance, separate driveway for that. It's got its own HVAC system in here, full furnace, fully insulated. You've also got natural gas hookup here for the barbecue, and an automatic transfer switch for the generator. Follow me down to the waterfront, guys. We're gonna go check out the Boathouse Bunkie. This place is amazing, and you'll notice the shop and the boathouse both match the house with the same log look, same steel roof. I would be honestly happy just living in this place. Sounds of water, just so peaceful. So come on in, guys. This is the Boathouse Bunkie. I absolutely love this place. You've got a sleeping area, which can be curtained off. Living area on the water's edge. You've got air conditioning. So let's come back outside here. Nice big patio right on the water. As I mentioned earlier, you're on 206 feet of waterfront here. You can't see any other houses either side. Obviously a couple of docks, but beautiful rock all the way around. You can hear the water splashing. It's a little windy today, but so peaceful. So down here we've got a nice kind of shallow stepping stones down into the water. You could launch a kayak or a paddleboard here. We've also got a giant cantilever dock there. Those are great in the winter. They come straight up. Now if we head back up this way, this is your lookout point. We've also got your marine rail system. So we're here on the observation deck. We're right on Lake Simcoe. You can just sit here all day, watch the boats go by, everyone doing their sea-doing. In terms of location, so you're right on Lake Simcoe, right between Lake Couchiching and Lake Simcoe at the Narrows. This is part of the Trent 7 waterway, so you can literally get anywhere in the world from here. So if you're a boater, this is the place to be. So there you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Lake Simcoe log home. Again, 206 feet of frontage, nothing but privacy. It's extremely rare to find a home with this kind of frontage. If you are interested in this home, please reach out, and we'll see you in the next video.